Okay friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Technology Classes. So in this video today now I am going to tell about one website which is providing about learning about a programming languages with a visual basic knowledge. Yeah, yes friends, it is sounds good. So because are you bored about listening videos or learning a programming language by seeing a PPT and by seeing a videos? So then this website is very good website. So so the website name is www.log2.base2.com. The website the website name itself is a catchy one and it sounds good. So let's see www.log2 log2base2.com. So here it is. So just now I had entered a log2base2 website name. I will go to the website automatically. So in this lockdown period, so many people are trying to learn the new technologies and new trends, and so many people are interested to improve their skills. So in this manner, so here in this video, so you can see these programming languages are taught by a something animated and very visualized basis. So here you can say the start 3 days trial, free trial. So here I will show the what is the cost and all, and the cost is also very nominal. So here let us see, for example, C programming. So I am seeing for the C programming. So here when I selected the C programming, so here in the top there they are showing the course of 1499 for 1 year. So 1 year you can access this course for 1 year, they are showing. But the manner they are presenting the videos is very much pretty and worthful to your money. So once see the demo videos of these courses. So here in the bottom, so these are the syllabuses. These all normally all websites will provide. So here one preview is there now. So let's see this preview so that you can understand what is the importance of this website and what is the predominant features they are providing to you. So let's see the function call stack or pointers to pointer. Let's go to the function call stack. Okay, so this video okay, yeah, it's
Hi
just
friends, in this video we are going to learn about function call stack. Firstly, let us see how function calls are handled inside the memory. In C programming, we have four major memory sections in RAM. First, text or code section. Second, global or static section. Third, heap section. And fourth, stack section. In text section, we have the read-only executable programming instructions which cannot be modified. In global section, we will have all the global and static variables. Dynamic memory allocation happens in heap memory section. That is, if we allocate memory using malloc or calloc at runtime, those allocations will happen in the heap section. And finally, all the local variables and function calls are created in the stack section. Now consider this C code. First we have an integer variable declared globally. So it is placed in the global section, and we have studied that global variables are initialized with 0 by default. So the variable result will have the value 0. Next, main function will be executed first, and as we discussed, all the function calls will be placed in the stack section. So the main function will be pushed into the stack, and the local variables a equal to 10 and b equal to 20 will be created.
there. So friends, how is the explanation of this demo videos there? So it's pretty tempting now there. So let's see the another videos from this website what they are providing. Let's go to the YouTube. So this website is also having a YouTube channel also. So once go to the Google and check whether it is the log2 base 2 is available or not. Log2 base 2, log2 base 2. Here images, and here one video is there, some 33 seconds. So let's see this video, learn visualize languages. So once go to this video, it's redirected. So friends, I am suggesting this website to learn for the beginners, and
So it will point to the new Node 30. Swap elements at max and index. So take another 25 rupee coin and increment the coin count. Produce a solution to the main problem. And base address is stored in PTR in row 1.
So friends, how is the demo videos are there? So friends, if you like my way of voice and way of presentation of this video, so please like this video, and then I will provide this website link in my description, so that you can easily access to that website. So thank you for watching my video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.